Tennant's T12 Compact Rider Scrubber delivers peace of mind with operator safety and promotes healthy cleaning environments. Tennant scrubbers are the only cleaning machines that offer chemical-free ECH2O technology. Reduce the risk of slip and fall accidents with ECH2O, certified by NFSI for delivering a high-traction floor surface when used. The T12 improves safety by allowing the operator to get on and off the machine on either side. A large operator compartment reduces operator fatigue and allows substantial legroom. Operating the T12 is easy, with simple car-like foot pedal controls located together. And the T12 allows for anytime cleaning with its quiet operation. It quietly cleans in noise-sensitive environments. The optional FOPS certified overhead guard protects the operator from falling objects. With many health and safety benefits, Tennant's T12 delivers big productivity in a compact, maneuverable rider scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.